Hello everyone, welcome back to our new episode. Sorry, new sessions. Okay, hold on. Maybe I get a set up. Just hold on. I will explain each and everything. Okay, let's play the trade here. Look at my entry, man. The most terrible entry. Oh my god, this is a winning trade, yeah? Okay, let's go to the another chart. Okay, let's explain why I took this trade. Okay, let me add my pen first. Where is my pen? Yeah, hold on, man. Yeah, this is my pen. Let me explain each and everything why I took this. Did you see that well respected resistance area and suddenly it's broken by this demand? This demand actually broke this one. Yeah. So I took this one somewhere here. So this is a one kind of decision making point. Will definitely try to play the trade. Okay, this is a red green patterns and this is also a downtrend. So oh no, this is okay, this is down to minor downtrends. Yeah, did you see ABC to the downside? Yeah, and now it's playing around this base. This is a minor base, we can say. This is one, and this is a red green pattern, red green. Yes, now that's the reasons I place with the sellers, but it started with the gap down. Did you see this? It started with gap down, so it's favor of sellers. This is also a winning trade. No, it's not exactly gap down. Let me clear these things. Oh no, it's not a gap down. Okay, that's the reason we win this trade. Let's see another chart. Yeah, this is also a decision making point. We can take advantage. Yeah, let's go to the lot time frame step by step. This is a phrase demand. Market exactly rejected from this level. Did you see this? Yeah. So we may trust this one. Okay, let's go to sell here. Oh, it has 1 minute chart, but okay, no problem. I have to place double trade for the next one, next pairs. Okay, here is the rejection point. Let me add a trend line here, somewhere here. Let's place the true trade here. Okay, I place true trade exactly on the common point of predictions. Yeah, this is the beta entry. Did you see that the common point rejection exactly somewhere here, and I place here. I expected a rejections to the upper side, and this is a also reversal sign. Let's see what's happened. Okay, great man, go down. Okay, good job. That's great. This is a also okay. I will place only $250 to the upside. Let's see what's happened. If I see okay, this is a good entry. Did you see that our entry somewhere here, and I place exactly here. This is the good entry. Yeah, this is the better one. Yeah, I have to place somewhere here, and I place here. So this is the better entry, I can say easily. Let's go back to the 1 minute chart. So why I took this trade? Yeah, you may ask this one. So let me clear these things. Did you see this? There is a well respected resistance area. Yes, suddenly it's broken and a demand is actually making here. So I expected again when market coming here, this demand making this candle green one or a rejections in that summer lower time frame. Yeah. So that's the reasons I took this one. Okay, if it close on a this level, so I can go with the buyers again next candles. Let's see. Every candle has a rejection, so we can trust this one also. Let me place the trade somewhere here. Okay, I miss maybe. Okay, next candle we can go with, because there is a no more, there is a no green candle more than 2 times, so we can trust again the sellers. Go up, man. It's a gap down, so I only take with a safety margin. Okay, let's go to the another chart. Did you see it's exactly rejected from here? This is also another common point of projections. Yeah, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This was is takeable. So I will add 2 more here. What the hell is going on? Let's place the 2 more here. It's aggressively going up because of this gap. This, you see this, the gap down. So this gap down making this candle is strong green one. Okay, the 3-1 is actually winning trade because of this gap down. It's again started with the gap down, so that's the reasons my 3 trades are winning trades. That's great, man. That's great. This red candle in from it's make a gap up to fill up this gap and it started with this label. Yes, exactly label, and this follows exactly as a outside as a engulfing candles. So engulfing need retracements. Yeah, and this is a another patterns, double green candles and also a red candles, and it's engulf. Yeah, engulf. So we can take the another reversal. So this is a great confirmation. This is a more than 3 confirmation. We can say we have a trend lines, we have a label, we have a close marubuju, we have a outside bar pattern, we have another psycho patterns. The 1 2 3 4 5 solid reason to take these trades, and I miss this, man. I will place multiple trade in these candles, man, seriously. And also this is a base, this is a base. Yeah, this is a base, so we can trust buyers and sellers. I only place 1 trades, and if I make again 100k, I will stop my tradings. So you all know that the previous times I make 10k. Yeah, I made 10k from $100 only, and now I again started with the 5 or 6k, maybe 6k dollar, I didn't remember. Okay, let's consider 6k dollar. Yeah, okay, I started again with 6k dollars, and right now you will see already I made 9k in a one day. So my target is 10k. If I make 10k again, so I will stop for today. Yeah, and remember that when you make your first 10k, you have to be withdraw your 5k or 6k to secure your profit. Yeah, it's really needed to secure our profit. We may lose our trade. So and again start up with 5k or 4k or 6k, how much you can. Yes, so when you have a 5k or 6k, then you can make again a big profit. Yeah, so don't take much more. You see I already made of 9k dollars. Oh yeah, there is a trade running. Yeah, just hold on. Psycho pattern, double red candles, green candles, and it's engulf. Yeah, with this shadow also engulfed by these red candles, and there is a fresh demand. There is a fresh demand, yes. So I expected a green candle here again. Yeah, so let's see what's happened. This is not so good because there is no label. There is no label. If it was close exactly on a label, I will go for the multiple trade for sure. Okay, it's maybe a losing trade. It's maybe a losing trade. Okay, no problem. It's a losing trade. I have to place double trade for the next candles on the next trade. This is the third touch. Okay, let's place the trade. Look at my entry, man. Look at my entry. The terrible entry I place here. This is the third touch setup. Yes, this is the third touch market. Okay, let's. Oh, the hell, man. Look at my entry. I place somewhere here, but it's placed here. This is a little bit scared, man. The four trades already are running out. Yeah, I'm mad, man. I was going mad if I lose these trades, and I seriously stopped trading for this for today. After a long time, I come back and I messed up, man. I messed up my mind. This is my last trade. Hold on. Yeah, this is a winning trades, and we made already 12k. Yeah, from 6k. That means we are doubling our account just a day. Yeah, and let me explain this trade. The first, okay, this is the third task breakout setup. This is our label. First task, second task, third task, and it's exactly close on a label. And also there is a doji. These two doji exactly broken by the red candle, so we can expect it a green candle here. And but here is a negative confirmation. It doesn't break this high, the previous swing. Yeah? If it's break the previous high, so this could be a good trade for me. Yeah, I place multiple trade because of this doji. Yeah, of doji, the broken doji. So I think that there should be uh, something. There should be some buyers activity. Yeah, that's the reasons I place the trade for multiple trades. Yeah, you can see this is a demand, but this demand is already consumed by these green candles. These green candles. Yeah, if it not consumed, this trade is absolutely solid for taking. Just thinking that there is demand, there is a demand, and market close exactly on a demand, and this is a level. Oh man, the next candle should boom. We can take with the good amount or multiple trade. It should be going up crazily. Yeah. Okay, take care. Goodbye. Tada. See you later again. And those who actually want to join my mentorships, you can knock me on Telegram challenge. I was busy for my mentorship student. That's the reason a long times you didn't see me. You didn't see my sessions. I'm sorry for that. I will be regular again. So because our the mentorship already almost close. Yeah, the mentorship almost closed, so our second mentorship is already running out, so you can take your slot for the next mentorships. So don't waste any more times, just knock me on my telegram challenge. It's now 12 Aprils, and after 15 Aprils, the 15 April, you will get a notification or notice from my telegram challenge, so you can join for the next batch after 15 April. 15 April. Okay, knock me on telegram challenge to knowing the price and offer, which offer, yeah, valid for you. So thank you so much. Tada, goodbye.